Okay, so now let's focus on finding winning designs. This is very easy, and I'll show you exactly how to do it and the ways you can use to find winning designs. So, let's say that I'm searching for a niche that is popular right now. I'm in September, so Halloween is around the corner. I can just type Halloween shirt, and it will have plenty of results. Now, the factors are as follow. Look for the popular now badge. I'll just open this listing. You can look for a bestseller badge. That's another factor. I don't think I will find the bestseller badge in here. I will only find popular now because it's Halloween and this is selling like crazy. But I will just try. No, I might have to search for something that sold well. So I can just type Father's Day shirt, for example, just so you can see how it looks like. Bestseller. Another factor. So we have popular now, bestseller. Now, another factor is, look for this. Over 20 people have this in their carts. This is the maximum. It can go higher than 20. This means that this is selling very well right now. Now, what you can do? Another factor, let's say that way to find a winner. Once you found one, go into the store. Look for more. So in here, look at this. Winner, 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 winner. Pretty much everything that is in here is selling extremely well. So now you have an idea of how to find winners. That's how simple it is. Something else that you can do, you can look in the reviews, and if you see the same product repeating quite often in the reviews, you know that that design is selling well. So I already saw like 3 designs that were repeated. This one, this one, this one. So yeah, that's how you do it. It's pretty easy. Just going through the reviews. If you see the same products selling quite often, that's a winner. That's how you find one. So let's see how old this store is. So only 1 year old, and it's doing great, 16,000 sales. That is great. What you can do, so once you find the winner, you can just go on Fiverr.com, find a graphic designer in here, so you can type shirt design, for example. So you can find plenty of designers, pay like $10 to $20 max for one design. So it costs you something. It's not super cheap, but not super expensive either. And just tell them to make the same design, but make it a bit different so it's not copyrighted, you know? Use the same phrase, but just change the design language just a bit. So that's how you find winners. Very simple. Do not try to say copyrighted material. So there is copyrighted material in this store. This one is copyrighted, as you can see. So we have Jason and so on. Do not focus on this. Sell designs that are clean. And in the next video, I will show you how to check for copyrights so you can stay safe from copyrighted designs. So see you in the next one. That's how you find winners. Very simple. Do this and you'll be good to go.